are done with question number 2 of exercise 7.1. Now we will proceed towards exercise 7.1 third question. Okay. What we have to do, factorize the following, and we know the method of factorization of binomial because it's a monomial. So what we have to do, take each term, okay, and find the factors, and then take out the common and then solve. So go for first question. What is it? 5a plus 15ab. Okay. So 5a plus 15ab. What is the factor of 5? 5 is nothing but what? Prime number. So what are the prime number is only divisible by 1 and itself. So what are the factor of 5? 5 multiply 1. Okay. So what are the factor? 5 multiply 1. A appears having power 1. So A will appear only once. Plus 15 having what factor? Find out the factor of 15. 3. We can't divide 15 by 2. So go for 3. 3 5s are 5 1s are. So factor of 15 is 3 multiply 5. 3 multiply 5. 3 multiply 5 multiply 1 multiply A, B having 1 power. So we write directly. Okay. See, now observe here what are common in between. So 5 is common here, 5 is common here. Okay. Then 1 is common here as well as in both terms. Okay. So multiply 1 here. A is common here, here also. So multiply A. Okay. Then what is remain? We have already taken out this 5 multiply A1. A. So we will write 1 here. Okay. We have taken out 5 multiply 1 multiply. So nothing is remain. So only 1 will remain. Plus what is remain here? 3. Okay. Plus 3. Again multiply B. B is also remain. So what we get? Multiplication of this. 5 multiplies 5a. And 1 plus 3 multiply b is 3b. So answer is 5a in the bracket 1 plus 3b is the factorization of 5a plus 15ab. Now for second b question, 27x minus 9y. Okay. So now find the factor of 27. So what are the factor of 27? Find the factor of each term. Okay. So as we have already in this is the exercise we have already learned. So we can't divide by 2. Go for 3. 3 7s are 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 1 put here. Okay. So factor of 27 is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 1. X having 1 power, just write x once in multiplication. Minus 7 is again a prime number. So what are the factor of 7? Because 7 is only divisible by 1 and itself. So 7 factor is 7 multiply 1 and multiply y. So what can you see? What is the common in between? See here, not here it is written 9. Okay. So sorry, my mistake. So what are the factor of 9? We have to find the factor of 9. So 3 3s are 3 1s are 1 put here. So 3 multiply, instead of 9 write 3 multiply 3 multiply 1 by having power 1. So multiply y. So 3 is here as well as here. Okay. So write once. Okay. 3 here as well as here. Write once here. Then 1 is here as well as here. Write once. Okay. Now we can't see anything common in both the terms. So what is remaining? This 3 and x. 3 and x is remain, and what is remain here? Y. So 3x plus y. Okay. So see what is remain? 3x plus y minus y. Okay, here minus sign, so whatever sign is available here, write in the second step y as it is. Okay, so 9 3x minus y. So these are the factor of 27x minus 9y. Now we will go for C question. What is it? Minus 4a square b minus 6ab square. So C question, C equals to minus 4a square b minus 6ab square. Okay, so first find the factor of this monomial. Okay, so this term and then go for this term. So what are the factor of 4? 2 2s are 2 1s are 1 put here. The factor of 4 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 1. Okay, so 2 multiply 1 and put this minus sign in front. Okay, so now a square. So a having 2 powers, so write a for 2 times. So multiply a multiply b minus 6. So find the factor of 6. 2 multiply 3, 3 multiply 1, 1. So 6, 2 multiply 3 multiply 1. A having 1 power, multiply a. B having 2 power, multiply it by. Write for 2 times. B having 2 power, multiplication will happen 2 times. Now observe what are common in between them. This to appear here also, here also. This minus will appear here also. So now what is common? 1 here also, here also. Now what we can see? A here also, here also. So what is see for this kind of factorization, first step is to do factorization. Then take out the common. So minus 2, then multiply 1, multiply a is common. Now see, now there is little bit of change, because if there is plus sign, there is no case, but minus sign is considered to be a alert sign. So if we are taking minus outside the bracket, inside the sign will change. Okay, so minus we have taken outside, so now the sign will change. So inside the bracket the sign will not appear. So what will remain? Only 2. Okay, minus is taken out, so here what will remain? Plus. So 2a, what is remain? What is remain? B. Okay, and then minus is common, then what will appear here? Plus. Because whenever minus is taken out of the bracket, the inside sign always changes. So here plus, so what is remain? 3 multiply b, bracket complete. Now minus 2 multiplication, 2 multiply 1 is 2, multiply is 2a, and what is remain? 2 multiply a multiply b is 2ab plus 3b square. Okay, so this is the factorization of this. Okay, now what is now go for D question. Okay, so 11ay plus 22y square. Okay, so 11, what 11 is nothing but a prime number. So what are the factor? 11 multiply 1 is the only factor for 11. Okay, so 11 multiply a multiply y. Okay, plus now 22. So find the factor of 22. So we can divide 22 by 2. So first divide by 2. Okay, so 2 ones are 2 ones are. Okay, and 11 can be divided by only 11, because 11 is a prime number. So 11 ones are 1 here. So what are the factor of 22? 2 multiply 11 multiply 1, and y having which power? 2 power, so y is multiplied for 2. Y multiply 5. So 11, taking 11 outside the bracket. So what will remain? 11 outside the bracket. Okay, 11 appear in both. So write 11 outside the bracket, then y appearing in both. So multiply y outside the bracket. Now what is remain? Take the bracket, a is remain, write a. Okay, this plus sign as it is. Okay. Now 2 is remain, 2 multiply, then 1 is remain. Okay. So if you don't write now, if you become master, there is no need of writing 1 again and again. So multiply y. Okay. So 11 by a plus 2y. So these are the factor of 11ay plus 22y square. Now we will go for E question. So E question is minus PQR plus 14P square Q. Okay, so see P multiply Q, because this is very simple. PQR and each term alphabet means each variable having which power? 1 power. So we can directly multiply P multiply Q multiply R, and we just have to find the factor of 14. So 14 factor first divide by 2, 7s are 7, 1s are, so 14 factor. So minus PQR plus 14. 2 multiply 7 multiply 1. P square means multiply P multiply P multiply Q. So PQR minus PQ multiply R. Okay, right here P multiply Q multiply R. Okay. Now take out the common. So here P common, write once. Then Q common, write for once, multiply Q. Then what you can see? Okay, so we can't see any of the number. So now observe here, minus sign is remain with R. Okay, plus is remain. Then what is remain? 2 multiply 7 is also remain. 2 multiply. What is remain again? P is remain. So do the multiplication of the variable. So P multiply PQ minus R plus 14Q P. Okay. So this is the factor of this minus PQR plus 14P square R. Okay. Now go for F question. F 10A square minus 15B square. So what are the factor of 10A square minus 15B square? 10. See, 10 can be written as 2 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 1 put here. So 10 can be 2 multiply 5 multiply 1. A having 2 powers, so multiply A for 2 times. So A multiply A minus 15. So now we can't divide 15 by 2, so go for 3. 3 5s are 5 1s are. Okay. So what are the factor of 3 multiply? 3 multiply 5 multiply 1. Now B having 2 powers, so multiply B for 2 times. So multiply B multiply B. So take out the common. So 5 is here as well as here. So write once, then there is nothing common. So what is remain? 2. Here what? A multiply A. Minus. Put this minus as it is. Then 3, 1. Okay. Then I told you if you become master over this topic, then there is no need to write 1 for the second step. Okay. So 3 multiply B multiply B. So what is it? 5 2A square minus 3B square. B square. This is the factor of 10A square minus 15B square. Okay. Now we will go for G question. G is what? 9C. G is 9A, B square, C square. So first find the factor of 9. What are the factor of 9? 3, 3s are 3, 1s are 1 put here. Okay, so we can write 3 multiply 1. A having 1 power, just write for ones. Okay. Then B having 2 power, B multiply B. Okay. C having 2 power, C multiply C. Then 5 is a prime number, so 5 is divisible by only 2 number, 1, and it says the factor of 5 is 5 multiply 1. Plus 5 multiply 1. A having which power? 2 power, A multiply A. B having 3 power, just write B for 3 times, multiply B. So now take the common. So there is, I think, this B is common, here also B common. Write B multiply B. Then A is here also multiply A. Then there is nothing common. So what is remain? 3 multiply 3. Multiply C, C multiply C, then plus sign, then 5 remain, then multiply A, multiply B. So B multiply B, bases are same, powers are added, so B power will be 2. So but we go for alphabetical manner, A, B, C, D. So first write what? A, then B square. 3 3s are 9, C multiply C is C square plus 5AB. So this is the way we have done with the question number 3 of exercise 7.1, and some of the question I left you for your homework. If you can't able to solve it, please mention in the comment section. Okay, or either you can mail me also.
If you really like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks from InLogicalmath team.
Third question. So we will now move towards exercise 7.1 third question. So the question is that we have to resolve into factorization and regroup them if wherever necessary. If it's required, you have to regroup them and then find the factorization. So first we will go for A question. So A is what? 75 A square minus 125 AB minus 45 AB square. So 75 we have to find the factor of 75. So what are the factors of 75? We can divide it by 3 because sum of the digits 7 plus 5 is what? 12, and which is divisible by 3. So 75 is divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 1 remain, 1 remain. So 15. So 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 5 1s are. So 75 factor are 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 1. A multiply A square. A having 2 powers, so multiply A by 2 times. So now go for 125. So 125. So 5. So sum of the digit 1 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 5 is what? 8. And 8 is not divisible by 3. So 5. 5 2s are 10. 2 remain 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 148. So 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. A multiply A multiply B minus 45. So 45 factor of 45. 3 1s are 3. 1 remain 15. 15. 3 5s are 5 1s are. So factor of 45, 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 1. If you don't want to write 1, it's okay. So multiply A, B square. So B square means B multiply B. Okay, so take what is common? 3, I think 5 is in each term. So here also 5A is also in each term. Okay, so 5A is common. So what is remain? 3 multiply 5 is what? 15. Okay, and A is remain. So 15A is remain in first term. Minus 5 multiply 5 is what? 25. 25 multiply B is 25B. Minus is remain. 3 multiply 3 is 9. 9. B multiply B is B square. So 9B square. Okay, so this is the factorization of A. Now go for B. So B is what? PQ square plus P square Q minus 3PQ. So now, what is common in each term? See, P appears here, P appears here, P appears here. See, in second term, P having 2 power. But just forget about whatever the power it having, but P appearing in each term. So I will tell you the different method of easily finding the factor, okay. So P is outside, okay. Then what you can see, Q appear here, here, here. Forget about the power. So, but Q appearing 1 only, na? Here 2 power, here 1 power, 1 power. But it means we know that sure for the fact that Q appears 1 in each term. Q यहाँ पर भी एक बार आ रहा है, यहाँ पर भी एक बार आ रहा है, यहाँ पर भी. तो लिख दो एक बार. So now Q जो है उसकी पावर कॉमन 1 ली है. देखो P चला गया, P कट कर दो, ऐसा फेम से कट करना है. If you are writing in your notebook, just cut with your pencil. P get cancelled. See, and Q is outside the bracket, so cut this power 2. Okay, cut this power 2. Okay, this bracket is considered to be multiplication. So this Q is taken outside the bracket. Is from this 2Q, we have taken only 1Q outside the bracket. So what we have? Just only 1Q. Plus sign as it is. We have taken P and Q. We have taken only 1P, here having P2, coming twice. So from this 2, 1P will outside. So what is remain? P. And Q only written once, so we don't have to write Q. Minus 3, and what is remain? PQ. PQ is already outside the bracket, so just remain minus 3. So whatever method is easy for you, apply that. But it is quite easier when you have so much of practice, then you can easily apply to various means of example. Okay. So now C question. C question is 18x square plus 36y square minus 16x square y square. Similarly, see 18, 36, 16. Okay, take out the factor. Okay, so 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, so what are the factor? 36. 2 1s are 2. 1 remain 8s are 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Okay, and what are the 18 can be written as 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. X square, x having 2 powers, so write x for 2 plus 36. 32 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Okay. Y having 2 power, so multiply y minus 16x square y square. Okay, so 16 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 1. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply x square, x having 2 powers, so x multiply x multiply y multiply y. So see, 2 come in each term, here also 2, here also 2 and here also 2. So what is remain? 3. 3 comes right once, multiply 3 comes here, here. I think 3 comes in 2 terms, okay. It don't come in 3 terms, just go for x. So x also don't come in each term. So 2 is only the common, okay. So what is 3 multiply 3? 9. X multiply x is x square. So 9 x square plus 2 multiply 3 6. 6 3s are 18. Y square. Y multiply y. Now 2 multiply 2. 4 multiply 2 is 8. X multiply x is x square plus 8x square. So this is the factor of C. Now I have remained some of the questions to solve for yourself. If you have a problem, mention mention in comment section. See, I am directly going for G question. So G is what? 6ab square plus 5ab plus b square plus 30a square b. So see what here it's not a trinomial, it's having 4 terms, so it's a polynomial. So here see what they have told, that we have to regroup wherever necessary. So here we can apply the method of regrouping. So consider, see, I am considering this and this. I am taking this in one side, 6a square plus b square. What is remain? This and this is remain. So plus 5ab plus 30a square b. Okay. So what you can see here common. See here b square is common. Here also b square. See, I am doing this with different kind of a method. B square is outside. So what is remain? 6a plus sign is remain, and b square is totally outside the bracket. So 1 is remain. Plus now 5ab and 30a square b. So we know that 5, when we multiply 5 to 6 times, when we do 5 times 6, then we get 5 6 are 30. So we know that 5 is divisible, 30 is divisible by 5. So take 5 common. See, here also a appear, here also a, b comes. Just forget, don't concentrate on the power firstly. See, here a, here b. So ab comes in between. So take 5ab outside the bracket. Now 5 is totally outside the bracket. So what is remain? 1 plus sign is remaining. See, bracket is considered to be multiplication sign. So 5 is what times of 5 is what times of 30, means after multiplying means to which number 5 we get answer 30. So we know that 5 multiplied 6 is what? 30. So 5 6 are 30. A is outside. So here 2 power. Okay. So A is only appearing outside 1. So we can write A. And B is totally outside. So 6A. Now observe here 6A plus 1, 6A plus 1. And we know that 6A plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 6A because addition is commutative. So 1 plus 6A is outside the bracket. So 1 plus 6A. So what is remain? B square plus 5AB. So this way we are done with exercise 7.1. Question number 1, 2, 3. If you have any doubt, then comment and ask me the question. I will try to resolve your queries.